All right, finally, Ebusia, it is what it is. Yanya abayiwa bi a wakane nsɛm issues esisi ye bra no fa Nigeria ni Uber ni from Accra or so bra na wapon adwuma ekofie. Now the story no a story we were touched, and so we want to highlight on it, put it on our personal scale on this platform. Now the next one has to do with Dr. Hassan Ayariga's support to the just ended peaceful walk now boys no organize and run. These are some of the things I want to talk about on this platform. Put it on our personal scale that we are at and I want you guys to listen to these two tapes. So
it looks like nobody wants to talk about this issue. We are not safe in our own country. Nigerians are scaring us. Like, they have been banned from entering South Africa, US, UK, even Dubai. 30% of Yango and Uber drivers are Nigerians for. Alata fona jikromu han mafa. Obetina kidnapping. Obetina yekumobi. Obetina ati say efira obeka opena in Quebec chose bino. No de malata for some moment name. You people are not talking about it. Oh chama yekunya. Oh baby. Ukunu and some of them it's getting serious. On the baby does to see ye Ghanaians crana ye okromu han musi. Obi to me by no na a chimp na no na no benya passport no from Nigeria na nothing in straight to Ghanaian. You people are not talking about it. Like seriously, see me, I am not safe. I booked Uber boats 4 days ago. And you bring my point with me fa Uber. Me fa Uber I can't buy no ya Latini. Right? And I me use to men you jowulu. Akram or quine am use adenta quine am use. You do jowulu also offer game per quine. Me say no, I am not okay. It's offer jowulu. Offer akram or quine. Or say traffic one. I'm saying I am the one paying for it. So traffic will hawk said there. Your quack do I am going to pay for whatever cost beba. Or see there be. Mean to mean channel your meme one on cam and to offer na kwana dania for game per road. Now say me beer can in me see. She me 9 crap, me cocoa motikra, me no say she me 2 year. Or the me for game per road, or the me quiet then one man, I join 11, or the me quiet then one. I didn't alata fona by we both drivers ni young go drivers will kromuha. Why are we entertaining them? Krobe brain person mo bet na honum adena ye na ye je omo wa hanum say massa the fact some support you own and all that doesn't mean some you papa
right now I've given out a big vehicle and that's why they are the one calling me and I was cutting them. They are going around the whole town, the whole of Accra, making announcement that the demonstration is coming on tomorrow. They will do that until 11 midnight.
Okay, and where is it starting from? Where is the meeting?
They've started already. They're all over.
No, I mean, like, where is the meeting point? Where is the meeting?
The meeting point is Obrasport.
Obrasport.
Everybody listening. If you have a family who is listening, those who are listening on social media and your platform, they should tell their people to come out in their numbers. We are going to start at Obrasport tomorrow, 7 o'clock sharp.
Is it against specifically Nigerians or all foreigners?
It's against Nigerians and their attitudes and foreigners with their criminal acts.
Okay. And
it's important.
Would you like to see the Igbo into parentheses King deported?
No, we have to deport him. He should go back and reapply to come to Ghana. Now Ghanaians know who love them more, who is there to protect them. It's not about politics. It's not about putting platforms and then campaigning. It's about doing what is right. If you stand for your citizens, look, all my kids school in Ghana. I have nowhere to go. If Ghana is burning, it's going to burn with me and my children. Most of them have their children out there. They don't really care. I care because every citizen in Ghana is mine. Whether I am president, I am not president. I see everyone as family. So I will stand on my feet as Hassan Ayariga. If I'll be the last man standing, I will definitely be the last man standing. I will not fall. And I will not fall down with this fight.
Okay.
And 100 of this fight, Hassan Ayariga will face them. 1,000 of this kind of attitude, I will face them. I am not looking for political, what do you call it, goals
Doctor,
in order to do that. No, I wasn't my intention.
Doctor, you made mention in your earlier statements that there is an upcoming protest tomorrow. will you be part
Yes.
of that protest? Will you show up at the protest where it is starting, and give us a little bit information about the protest?
Let's get there tomorrow. We've organized everything.
Yeah, but
What we
where is it
intend
starting
to-
and how will
What we
this
intend,
protest?
listen to me. What we intend to do is to make the world know that this matter of our sovereignty is not a joke. When people call me, look, this particular Igbo chief or whatever he calls himself, I've gotten people who have called me that they want to bring him to my house and I decline. Severally.
Did they tell you the reason why he wanted to see you?
He wants to come and plead with me and beg with me to drop the matter. I said, look, my friend, you think I'm doing it for anything? You can't pay me. That's number one. You can't buy me. That's number two. I don't sell my conscience. That's number three. If you want, you can go and sit with all the people that you want to sit with. But I'm the last person you sit with when you try my country. Look, I've lived in Germany before. I've studied in the US before. I've gone around the world. I know how people respect their own country and protect their country.
Exactly.
I'm not just a mere Dr. Hassan Ayariga. No. I'm 52 years old. I've experienced the world. So many countries I've been to, people protect their sovereignty. People will die for their own country. It is only in Ghana that we don't care. We run away from our responsibilities and say, no, we're there. Somebody was on a platform today, a very big platform, that is meant for politicians and then national security elders and then security alert. The person said, this man has apologized. Forget this thing. I looked at it, I said, your low thinking mind. This is how you people think. You think it's about this man. It's about precedents being set. And if not controlled, it will get out of hand tomorrow. I don't know this man. Even if this man stops, we must put the dynamics in place. You think Ghana, we have another country again?
No.
We don't have another country again. Your children, my great-grandchildren, my children are all Ghanaians. That is their only country. If we allow economical takeover, then political takeover too will come. When foreigners take over your country, look, Nigerians are not the only people who have taken over our country. Chinese are all over the country.
And guys, more na sometimes when we dey talk, you guys no one understand what you dey talk. You listen to the testifying lady now, what the lady was talking about. Or say or no, ena or full boat to say Uber no. Ena or can't share driver and say onfa baby ano no person ebe ya obetumi eden. A guy ni say traffic into onfa ho. Chinchin a only no kofa baby ane ho no ma esum. Ena eden okusiye. I asked myself questions. Why is it that we are having these guys all over the place, almost driving boats in Uber and for Ghana? People are going through a whole lot of things, no. Again, no, they be maybe some. I can say, and yet, we are not saying say all of them, but those bad ones, no, they should be dealt with. And I think, say, let me say it down here, say, deportation also for those bad Nigerians now, arrested or Ghana and Crown. I think the government need to extend our prisons. We will rather put them to work. We will use them in our farmlands. Farming, we will use them there. We will use them in our various farmlands to do more crops. Galamse na ye to Ghana, baby access any anymore. Yensi so monfan call men fili those holes no. And no nebe so we start using them like that. They will think twice and they will not come to Ghana to come and misbehave. I think so. They were complaining, said Dr. Hassan Ayariga didn't show up in the protests, peace walk, whatever. No, at least they say the video. I mean, say he was able to help. I mean, he support you guys with track. And the track right now, say guys, it is no more here. You know, it's from Dr. Hassan Ayariga. I think that speaks a lot. Again, what Ghana for air can say? So if you guys think say you know if you stay for our country, it just for go. Question be no be bisa say a DNA cost for Nigeria for Oko London, ya pamomo, US, ya pamomo, South Africa, ya pamomo, Kenya, ya pamomo, other places cry, baby obeko biano, ye pamomo, adentia. That's the question. It means say they have something that most people really don't want to associate themselves with. Again, I've said this, and yes, Ghanaians don't want to inhabit visitors. We want, but so be beba ukrum na nipa no beba bedi nsemfon no no be che so wona awo nyansansen udia ene esa nipa no say yeden ye mani konu krum. But to be honest with you, I'm saying say the government of the day should do something about this. What they have to do is say they have to extend our prison yards, what they are saying, and use these guys more or less for what do you call that? We use them for our farmlands. For munfanye farm ejuma, for munko other places I work farm one more munko ye hard labor. Send they'll stop all this yina mo ye no. Ebusia. Bomodi ase obe subscribe no share no comment send nya video sisi ana se yenya ade bia e ba kan ase na wonso nya bia he e platform we so. Ebusia. That's the ne ye be sen share bi pia ye ko.